Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an iPhone 8 with a broken screen. The client brought this to us with the screen protector still attached, but it didn't survive the fall that it had days prior. So the display underneath is also broken, and you can see that it's very easy to open up the display case. Obviously this one didn't only have scratches and cracks, but also damaged the attachments on the sides and the clips, so we are immediately going to detach it from the phone itself. So when you open an iPhone 8, it's very different. You open it by lifting up the left side and making it 90 degrees from the ground. Don't lift it up way too far out, or else you'll snap off the important display cables. This time we're going to transfer the home button to the new display. So Sydney CBD Repair Center, we have stocks of original and high quality displays LCD with glass panel on top, and it's very easy for us to replace this one. All we have to do is to attach the cables. This came with the display, so it's an overall assembly. No need for us to transfer some clips that may have snapped off. So we're just going to firmly install it here. We are not yet going to close up the display. We're just going to try this out, see if it works. And this, my friend, is a working iPhone 8. Let's wait for it to boot up. So oftentimes, if you DIY it yourself, you can successfully install the display, but it will result into a boot loop. So you should seek professional help or assistance when replacing this. In Sydney CBD Repair Center, we ensure that your iPhone is working and stays that way. We fix the things that are broken and not generate new damage to the other parts that are already good. So we are going to attach the screws in its proper place. If you attempt this yourself, you should always remember where you put this, where you got the screws, and install it right back where you got it. So we have there the adhesives. So this iPhone 8 has issues with the clips that are missing or broken, so we're going to have new adhesives to support it when we install it right back on. So final checks on the device, on the camera, and the last step is to install the last two screws at the bottom by the charging port. Should always be careful with this one because these are soft aluminiums, not too tight. And again, final checks, and this is ready for delivery to the client. Just clean it up a bit, and if you want to have your iPhone 8 fixed, contact us in Sydney CBD Repair Center. Subscribe, like our Facebook page. And till next time, guys, cheers.